recording.
And we're flying to where?
Bangkok, Thailand.
Sawadee ka.
So, CR si Louise. Time to eat. Guys, let's eat. Hi girl, vlog to girl. Cheers girl. Nag-white wine kami. Cheers. Wait. Cheers girl.
Mine is different.
Sawadee ka. We are now in Thailand, Bangkok.
Minsan late.
Palengke.
Oh, minsan late. Oh.
Pero pag maayos na
Sawadee ka.
Hi Luis. Say hi muna.
But hi.
Pag nasa immigration na, bawal na mag-video, Luis ha.
parang
Okay.
Ayan no.
If you're a male, you say sawadee ka. If you're a female, sawadee ka.
Yeah, ka.
So every time you speak, the word kap or ka will signify respect. It's like po and opo.
If you say cup, you're a male. If you say ka, you're a
Female.
Okay na ha?
Yeah, even okay. Okay na ka, yung pala Bisaya ka, Bisaya ka, no?
Waiting lang for our room.
Oh.
This is our luggage. Hi Rod! This is our room. Ito talaga yung nagustuhan namin dito, maluwang yung harap. Kasi dyan natin nilalagay yung mga luggage namin. Ay, may balcony kami guys. Oo nga, may balcony kami. Nasa ano kami, Pratunam area. Mas pinili namin because ang focus ng trip na ito is shopping. Ito na mi guys sa 100 bag shop.
Platinum Mall. Right there.
First agenda namin is Platinum Mall.
You know, guys.
We're here at December.
Just a closing.
You can buy anything.
Wait.
Platinum Mall.
Why can't we just take the entrance?
No, where are we, Luis?
Platinum.
Platinum Mall.
We got a mascot here.
Yeah.
Meron kasi dyan, nilalabang kasi.
Uy, girl, wait nga. Stop tayo dito.
Go.
Buy na rin ako, guys. One for me and one for my mama. Platinum is nice, no? Mura lang. Talaga ba? Yes. Saan ang next?
Dito maganda.
Are you tired, Luis?
Yeah.
Guys, start na kami. Mag-grocery na kami pampasalubong. Ah, tsaka mga chips. Okay. So far, ito na yung pamili ko here in Big C. Where's Tita Rod? Tita Rod, nandun, naghahanap ng seasonings.
Yes.
Grocery ang atake dito.
Melbourne. Wala pa rin akong mga nakikil na mga, di ba sabi nila makaka-feel ka ng mga anong tawag to? Pre-menopausal. Parang wala. Dati nakifeel ko yung mga hot flashes na yan.
So we're here in Judd Fair.
Exotic food.
Yeah. I know. Can you say Luis?
Outside for
You
our
happy?
dinner.
Cutie.
180 lang daw yun. So, collagen.
Magkano yung powder, Rod?
90 ani.
Ako kuha na ako dalawa. 12 pieces. I already get this. And, oh, dibi, ang dami mo na girl ah.
Wala isang tayo, di ba? Wala ka lang kinuhang.
Kaya akong basket. Guys, bumibili na kami here sa Three Brothers. Yeah. And then later, mag-order kami here. Yung friend ko, si Roddy B, tsaka si Josh, nauna na silang umorder.
I hope they order me a pork.
Welcome to Judd Fair.
I hope they do order me a pork.
Yeah, I'm gonna order you. Breakfast buffet na guys. Hi Luis, good morning. Roddy B. Breakfast buffet.
Good thing tayo doon, girl.
I will have cappuccino for breakfast. Waiting lang for our
Hi, girl.
Where are we going now?
I can't remember the name.
This is our day 2 and we're going to Chateau Shack.
Yeah, the previous.
We're here at Chateau Shack. We're gonna go
Day
for
two.
shopping,
Yeah.
Luis. That's 100 baht shop. I bought 5 toast bombs.
Muay Thai.
Yeah.
Bangkok. Steady.
Bangkok.
Bangkok. Just back. 1, 2.
Here in Chateau Shack.
Bangkok แบงค์ทอน500 ใช่ไหม อันนี้
This
5 บาท
costs 500 baht.
ดีครับ
One
thank you ครับ
time.
สวัสดีครับ
Adika.
I think though or not yet
Oh, we're done.
all of them
Yes. Accessory shop. Tired, Luis? Luis, come here. Palabas na kami ng Chateau Shack, guys.
we're just leaving now
Yeah, we're leaving
and
now.
I'm having a bear fruit
Yes. So far, ito yung mga nabili ko. See you at our next stop is Tofu Skincare.
what's the food
Luis, dito ka, Luis.
where are these water
Next stop is...
where are these water
We're already inside Tofu Skincare. Yeah, I will get that, girl. Thank you, girl. Luis, ikaw mag-push. No, i-push you like that. Ganito. Ayan eh. Go, go, go. Excited for the Lego?
yeah
Let's
oh wait
go now.
what you even record again on me if I wanna buy Lego
Find them. Where's Tito Josh and Tito Rod?
I think I saw them
We're here in Central World.
where I'm gonna buy my Legos
Yeah, I'm gonna buy
unless if there's an age restriction I mean not
Kuya
all
Luis
not all
Lego.
of them not all of them
Because that's his
are
request.
not all of them actually do have something good for Thailand. Okay.
What?
One of there could be age restriction.
Yeah.
Uy, ma.
What? Ay, okay. Here in
Central World.
Gentlewoman.
Yeah, but Central World inside. I gave my Lego.
Oh, doon nga. Later. So, let's go. May ganito na. Tingin lang kami dito, guys. Grabe, sobrang init sa labas kanina. Finally, we're here in Toys R Us Lego. Ayan. Siya.
Hospital
So, you're
sets
getting
in this
it now?
entire Lego city, so I guess this is the option.
Okay. So, get it na pala.
Yes.
It's
They
okay.
all
Well,
seem-
don't think about the price. Kung
They
ano
all
yung
seem
you
quite
think
cheaper
you're-
than it was in the Philippines. This one just says
What?
2,000.
Oh, sige, you choose. That one or this one?
But I guess I'll choose this one though.
Okay. Let's get it and pay it.
I should-
Binili ko yung famous Little Bunny local brand here in Thailand. A bag. Okay. For a while. Kapon ka. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, maraming tawag dyan, design. Yung mga House of Little Bunny. And this one. This one. Meron din silang parang mini kit. I think pop-up store lang to here. Here in Central World, guys. Look. There's a lot of style to choose from. So yun. Ano mga napa-shopping mo, girl? Flex mo nga. Same. How about you, Luis? You have a
Lego again.
Lego.
But why are you always recording me trying?
This is a YouTube vlog.
But why are you keep on recording me
I want-
about me and the
I
Lego?
want them to see you.
What if they're just gonna put me? Why are you still buying?
No, adults also buy Legos. It's hard to even create or to build.
Okay then.
Siya na, hindi ko na to masasama sa YouTube vlog, but if you want, you can watch my TikTok video for this Jurassic World experience.
I think this is just only a walkthrough.
Guys, happy si Luis sa kanyang Jurassic Park experience. Jurassic World experience. Now, we're done and we're safe. Luis, are we safe? What do you want to buy? Now, Luis.
We're in
Naglalakad-lakad lang kami, guys.
from this angle. So, para
And ito yung
para siyang Gardens Park sa
trending na
Singapore.
Sky Flyer.
It's so tall. This is the world's tallest one.
Yeah.
This specific ride.
So, hanapin na natin yung Delhi Spa kasi nandun yung mga friends ko.
It's not where we can relax there. We're actually in the ocean. We're actually next to an ocean. There's a dinosaur here. It's a Spinosaurus. Hey, this is the Hatch Dome. That's where you can find the dinosaur experience. So yeah.